Hey everybody, we've got excitement here today. A 1969 Mustang Fastback, one of the best looking designs of all time in my opinion. And it's decked out with the stripes and scoops and louvers and the chrome wheels. The best part, under the hood, a 428 motor, vintage air conditioning. This has power rack and pinion steering, custom suspension, power disc brakes, and there's a 4-speed sitting between those bucket seats right there. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 classic cars. All will have a price tag and the monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, anytime I do a Mach 1 like this, I always say it's the best looking body style. I really think so. This and the 69 Camaro, just gorgeous. Just look at the lines. But anyway, this thing's totally decked out. Shaker hood, all fits beautifully. It's all straight. I don't have a problem or issue with anything I see here. All looks fantastic, smooth, straight, right down to the bottom. The rocker panels are smooth and shiny. Has the sport mirrors. All lines up beautifully. Shuts nice and solid. You got the scoop. All looking beautiful. A little dovetail here. All looking nice. Right down, even under the bottom is smooth. All looking really clean, straight, no bubbles. Lines up square, flush. The end caps all fit really nicely. Real nicely, I should say. All this clean, smooth, no issues. Painted grabber yellow. That's going to grab your attention. And polished smooth like glass. No problem areas with cracking or shrinkage or anything funny. It's just a beautiful, shiny yellow paint. These are reflective stickers. At night, if oncoming headlights hit it, it lights up like you turned a switch on. They're really cool. Has the satin black treatment on the hood. That started with the race cars. They wouldn't get the glare. So then they continued it onto the muscle cars to give it that race look, along with hood pins. So the hood doesn't fly open on you 100 miles an hour. Up here, the grille, the bumper, lower spoiler, all of this looks to be in really nice shape. I like the little fins on the scoop, Cobra Jet. It's called a shaker hood scoop because it's attached to the motor, so it moves when it's running, and it is functional ram air. Windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure it was replaced. I'm sure all the moldings were replaced. They're all very nice. They're not a 10. They have just a little surface on them. The chrome was replaced. This chrome's original. Door handles real nice and shiny. Moldings were replaced. So it has the louvers on the window. All the chrome, the trim, all looks very good. It has the rear spoiler. It has the reflective stripe back here. Blacked out tail panel, all looking really sharp. Nice chrome, cool looking gas cap. Also racing inspired. The wheels, it had some wheels we didn't care for when we bought the car. So those are brand new 15x8 Magnum 500 wheels with the Cooper tires, nice meaty tires on there. Outside of the car is looking fantastic. Let's open the inside. All right, good looking tail end of a car. Let's open it up, see what we got in the trunk. Well, under the trunk lid, the small trunk lid, it's all painted real nice. There's new weather strip, jams painted nice. A little dusty, no problem. Inside's all clean metal, painted yellow. Underneath the mat is a new gas tank. You got the plaid mats in there. There's some room once you get in there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're always posting really, really nice cars and some fun little shorts. Visit our website too. You'll like that. Door jambs are painted up nicely. New weather strips, sill plates. So this is the deluxe interior. It has the molded door panels, with the armrest built in, wood grain trim. That all looks new, all really nice. And we're looking at a really nice dash. This whole instrument panel, the wood grain, the trim, the plastic, all looking sharp. The dash pad is new, and it's an actual dash pad, not a glue-on cap. It has air conditioned vents here, AM/FM radio, heater controls, all that looks to be original. We got a clock over on this side and it's working. That must have been replaced. All nice and clean, not beat up. Has some heavy duty floor mats protecting the carpet. Do have a very nice original console with the Hurst 4-speed and the T-handle. Looks like the seat belts were replaced. Nice cushioned armrest. Excuse me. So it has the high back bucket seats. I like the red stripe. Looks like it's recushioned and reupholstered. So in back, same, more of the same. Carpets replaced, seat belts look real nice, seats reupholstered. The side panels, the plastic, all look to be in really great shape. The rear shelf looks to be real nice. All the trim in here looks really good. Headliners replaced, fits nice. Did the visors at the same time. New mirror. It has this nice walnut steering wheel on a tilt column. Nice little billet levers. So yeah, very nice interior. Deluxe sport interior with a 4-speed and a tilt. Yeah, this car here is one of those. There's more than meets the eye. It looks stock, but it's got a lot of upgrades. That's a 428 mild performance built engine. Up on top is an aluminum intake. Boy, I can't even see the carb under that big air cleaner, but there's one under there, trust me. Nice 428 thinned aluminum valve covers, high-rise valve covers. It's got a set of headers stuffed in there. The whole engine bay is clean. This is all reworked. Notice there's no shock towers here. The whole front clip is custom, which we'll talk about in a little bit. It looks like a new, I think it's a solenoid or regular solenoid. Batteries bolted down properly. Upgraded aluminum radiator with a new shroud, and fan looks good. Aluminum water pump. All looking nice. Modern air conditioning. Has power steering, power brakes, and again, everything's clean, tidy, fresh. I bet there's not 1,000 miles on this build. Look at the bottom side of the hood. It's painted real nice and sharp. Boy, it's got new horns. This thing's ready to go. And speaking of that, Michael's gonna go and show you how it runs. See you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. I'm really excited to present this car to you guys. This one's been sitting in our showroom for a couple weeks, and every time I look at it, man, it just puts a big old smile on my face. I absolutely love this car. 420 Corvette under the hood, 4-speed manual, and it's fantastic. It just looks so pretty, just sitting there, not doing anything, just looking good. Fantastic car, really nice quality nut and bolt restoration on it, and yeah. So we're gonna go on a little drive around our private test track here. The roads are heavily salted, and we don't salt this road here. So I'll just give you a quick little run around and show you that everything functions on it. So yeah, we did go over this car top to bottom in our shop. We did have a lengthy service bill on it. There was a couple things that needed to be addressed, including we put a new set of tires on it, rebuilt the shifter, put a new steering wheel on it, redid the air conditioning, and so on and so forth. But now it is, yeah, it's ready to be driven. Give you a little punch there so you can see. And yeah, if you want to test drive it yourself, contact our sales department and check out all the details, pictures, and full description on volocars.com.
More good stuff to come. Underneath has got some custom chassis work. When I said the front clip, I meant underneath there. It's all new. Looks like a Heights system. I don't know if it is or not, but new like subframe with rack and pinion steering. All tubular control arms with coil over adjustable shocks, sway bar with polyurethane bushings. So that whole front unit is a big improvement. The frame rails are welded front to back. That keeps the car from twisting, just makes it handle better. In back, it does have traction bars and what looks like new springs and shocks. The fuel tank you see in the top side of it, that was replaced and they painted it gloss black from the bottom side. It's got a really nice sounding dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, and it has the quad tips coming out the back. A disc brake in front, drum in back. You look up at the motor, it has an extra capacity oil pan. Just extra oil keeps it a little cooler, keeps it a little cleaner. High torque starter, top loader 4-speed transmission, Ford 9-inch rear end in the back. The floors look to be restored, solid. This is a good car. You're going to turn heads. You're going to enjoy this one. This is fun. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your Mach 1 delivered to your door and how to get it financed if you need it. Thanks for watching.